In this video, we are going to see how we can hide our relationship status on Facebook profile. So if you want to hide it with public, your friends, or just a few people, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to your profile icon and click on the profile. Once you land on your profile, you click on the About section. And from here, click on the personal details. And here is your relationship status. And as you can see, it's currently locked. That means it is only visible to me. But if you want to edit it, you edit this, change this to, let's say, married. And you can add your partner as well and all the other details since when you were married. Click on save, click on no. And let's say that you want to hide this status from everyone else. You can click on only me. If you want to completely hide this, you can share it with your friends, friends of friends, public, and so on. So let's say I want to share it with all of my friends. Click on this friends, click save. And as you can see, the sign changes here, and that is all we need to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.